Hello and good day traders. Hope you are enjoying the weekend. Now I am going to analyze AUD USD Australian dollar US dollar. This is in monthly time frame and you can see this was the double top formed in the month, and this was the we tried to find out the double bottom, but we couldn't because the double bottom is far on the lower side and it didn't form any double bottom. But however, what we have remarkably saw that it is changing its trend little by little, because previously it make a lower low, then it made higher low, and again it is making another higher low. So this is a shift, a slow and gradual shift in trend, because any shift in trend requires something like this to come down and be straight, and then it is started going upward. So that is the thing happening here. It came down and it is gradually shifting on the upward, something like this. It is happening something like this. So we need to be very careful about this, because this type of shift in trend sometimes lead us to wrong decision. So we'll try to analyze, and based on this double top, if we mark it, then we can see that this is the range we picked, this guy, considering this guy, and the middle is marked in dashed line. As you can see, this dashed line is the middle. Now we have here another bottom which is confirmed by red and green, but there is not double bottom here in monthly time frame. And in September it made bullish, and in I beg your pardon, November it made bullish, and 1st of the December it is also bullish, and it crossed the 50% mark of the total range we are considering at the moment. So there is a thing here I should mention, that this is a green candle and red candle, and if the price enters in this zone, it will open this zone of the monthly double top. So we need to be very careful here, because this is a very big zone, if you can see, so anything can happen. It is 175 pips, a very big zone in monthly time frame. So price when gets into this zone, it can go up to here, come back on the make a double top, or it may break this and lead towards the higher double top we had already before, as we are seeing that it crossed the 50%. And if we measure the total depth of this market, if we measure from here to here, we are talking about, give and take, 1000 pips. Let's say 1000 pips. So 500 pips has been achieved already. You guys can see this is 500 almost, and 750 is the 75%, which is just above this potential double top we have here, potential double top in monthly time frame. So I marked this zone with these two red line, and I put the zone in black because it has not been yet into double top. Coming back to weekly, then if we go to weekly, still we can see that why this the price has returned from this zone, we don't know. In monthly, this zone I am talking, why the price has returned from here, we will find that out. So the price went up here, and we are inside there, we are coming into the monthly double top zone. And in weekly we don't have anything here yet, and what we can see in weekly, that it has broken a major break of structure has happened here. This is the major structural break, and again if we see, there is another break of structure again in weekly. This is another break of structure. So this is the thing has happened last week. So let me delete this one. We don't require this. So this is the new break of structure in weekly happen, and we don't know, and we don't have any double top in weekly, neither we do have a double bottom why the price has retraced and being bullish from here. Let's get back to daily. As per my previous calculation, what I have showed you guys last week is that I try to find that I should take the trade here, but price didn't came here. However, my prediction was correct. It went up like this. If you can see, it went up like this. It came down here, but I was expecting to come it here. Anyhow, I missed the trade. So it came down here and it started getting bullish, and here is the 50% of the weekly. If we go here, you can see this line. Let me enable this line in daily time frame. Oh, it is already there. So let's go to here, and this is the structure where it has broken the weekly structure, and there was a in 4 hours there was a possible double top here. If we go there, okay, you guys can see this is a 4-hour double top supposed to be. It was taken out first, came back, retested the area. This guy has been retested and it started going bullish. Now, as per my previous calculation, this lead didn't materialize. I am a conservative trader, so I don't trade until the price falls in my areas of expectation. So let's get rid of these things. This is out now, and this is also gone. This is gone. The price has retested here and it went up. Now, if you guys see that this price, actually this price, this guy, let me mark it so you guys can understand later. This guy, what we have seen in monthly, what made this to go up in month, there was no double bottom. In week, we couldn't find it here, but in day, there is a double bottom from here, and that put the price on being bullish from this price level. Okay, this guy, if you can see, this guy is here is the in daily double bottom, which caused the price to move upward. Again, it created another double top on the daily, and it pushed the price back, which we can see in weekly also. This was the case. This guy came down, it pushed the price up, and then it came down due to a double top in the daily time frame. And again, it retested the market here, and here there was a double bottom in 4 hours. If we can go here, we can see there is a double bottom. This single candlestick is the reason that formed this double bottom, and it pushed the price back again into the bullish side. Now we had a cup and handle formed very clearly, and based on that I said that the depth of the cup is equivalent to this length. You can see this is the cup depth, so we were expecting that the price will move something like this. Hold on guys, yes. So 50% has already achieved, and now it is moving towards 75%. And so let's get rid of these things. We don't need this thing. We don't need anymore. But we should keep in mind that there is something here that price can show some reaction here. So I leave this circle and this circle on, and we just leave these things out of the whole thing. And let's remove this guy too. We don't need this anymore. This guy too, we don't need this anymore. So this is the major break of structure in price, and this is the 50% we have now. So 50% line has been crossed already. So we are expecting to move it to 75%. However, there is every possible chance that in day time frame it can make a double top immediately in 75% zone in this area. once it reaches this area, there is a possible. So guys, keep putting things long, so that we don't lose money. There is no scope at the moment that it will be bearish. It is rather bullish bias at the moment. So if you guys already continuing being long, just move here and see the price action here. If it breaks this area, then it will move up to this area and it will retest this thing, and then it will move upward. That is the thing I have for AUD USD. However, if there is always a flip side of the market, you see that this is going for the last couple of weeks being bullish. It has the market has been correction has been made here, and it got bullish again. And if not otherwise, so far I can see, if we go to 4 hours, we are seeing some source of weakness in the market. It tried to push the price down, but this is a very strong bullish candle, and I don't think it will stop here. It will reach here. So on the flip side, I will not suggest any going for sell or short. So please do AUD USD, keep your long open, and it is safe up to this zone. After that, we have to see the price action. Based on that, we have to go for here. If the green candle goes up and red form, and that red candle doesn't break this lower line, red line, then I think we can continue the long. But to go short, we have to see until the price reaches the market unfold up to this level. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will try my level best to keep the video short.